All right. Been looking on YouTube because I actually when removing these tips from my wife's shoe. As you can see, they both broke, and I can find a ton of videos about just pulling one out and putting another one in, but none about actually what happens when you break the tip in the shoe. So, as you can see, I've been fighting with it and drilling. What I mean by that, I guess I should show you guys. Drill bit that fits, it's kind of the same size. I don't know the actual size of the stems, but I'm pretty sure you can find it online. I think these only come in like two popular sizes. But here it is, and what I did is I took a piece of tape and I marked it around there. I put it around so I wouldn't go past the point of where this thing actually anchors in or whatever. So what I've been doing is drilling and fighting. Actually broke a bit and just happened to find another bit. Like I said, this comes from an old kit. I have no idea what size it is, but I made sure it was small enough not to interfere with the interior parts that holds the stem in. And I just been drilling in and out, drilling until I got to the bottom. Also, you want to keep you some oil around. I use some WD-40. Sprayed it in a cup, and I just take the drill bit, dip it in, spin it around, and I keep, because it's metal on metal, you kind of want, something less friction. And I wish I had some cutting oil, but I don't. But this, it works out. And so far, I've gotten one out. It's a pain. It took about 15 minutes of drilling, broke a bit. Please be careful, wear gloves and stuff. I got this one, sitting around, this old glove. Just put it on, grip the heel. Please be super careful, because you're dancing around here. You don't want to slip off and stab yourself in the finger. So take your time and just, slowly drill. You'll start to see shavings come out as I did it over a piece of paper, so you can see what actually comes out. But please be extra careful. I hate for somebody to get hurt doing it, and they do get hot. Trust me. So get your glove or something that work with it in a position that you're most comfortable in, that's still safe, and just take your time. Don't put the drill bit on 1,000. Just take your time and do it. And so far, this is what I've come up with. And of course, I got a hammer in there, but it works and it fits. And I'm just shocked I didn't have to be cursed out or fussed out about messing up her shoes. So again, drill bit, mark it off so you don't go past the stopping point. Take your time. Oil on the tip of the bit. Get the other shoe since I gotta start it in a minute. Take your time and slowly drill. Wear the glove. And just be careful. Take your time. You'll get it, guys. And like I said, once you get to that point when it stops, just keep dipping it out, tipping it out, bumping the shoe, and you're in there, and it's good to go. All right. Let me know how it turns out. Good luck.